Alright guys, we're over here on the Legend out at Holiday World in Santa Claus, Indiana. And Legend is no Santa roller coaster. This is all about the Headless Horseman and the Legend of Sleepy Hollow. So it's like the opposite of Christmas. We are in the Halloween section of the park right now. And this is an awesome ride. Get ready for it. Here we go. Top of the lift hill. I'm never quite ready for this coaster. Crap! Here we go, guys! No! Woo! We're flying under the water park! Woo! Hello, water park! Hi, Rob! Oh, man, here we go! Woo! And airtime! Love it! Woo! Oh, my God! Into the tunnel! Ready? Here we go! Super helix coming up! Into another tunnel! Oh, man! Woo! Oh, God! This ride really does never let up! And another tunnel! Oh, man! Woo! Whee! Oh, I have no idea what's going on, but I know there's another tunnel! Woo! Oh, man! And into the brakes. Oh my God! That is quite a ride. Holy crap. I think I'm still here. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Okay, we're good. We're good. And that is the Legend here out at Holiday World, Santa Claus, Indiana. Not a Santa Claus ride, definitely a Halloween ride. Oh my God. You're ringing the bell.